The family of a prominent Dallas attorney is describing his suspicious death as devastating. Homicide and arson investigators are asking for tips from the public about Ira Tobolowski's death inside his burning North Dallas home. Today, his attorney told us investigators found alarming evidence in the garage. And we're learning more about the connection between Tobolowski's death and a Dallas County judge's request for additional personal security. Fox 4's Sean Rabb first on Fox 4 News.
And Clarice, we spoke with a family member of the popular attorney today and the lawyer who was representing Tobolowski in his own contentious courtroom case. The death of attorney Ira Tobolowski, found on Friday in the garage of his burning North Dallas home, has left his family
crushed. And, we have our way of dealing with grief, being Jewish, but the community's been unbelievable. Our friends have been unbelievable, and we have a great family.
The fire's been labeled suspicious by arson investigators, but neither the fire department nor police are talking.
I'm told that they discovered an accelerant that was in the garage, which had no place in that garage.
Steve Schottmer is Tobolowski's lawyer. He says his client would not have stored any chemicals or accelerants because he could not physically do labor-intensive work.
And Mr. Tobolowski in some ways was physically challenged, so there just wouldn't be a reason to have any accelerant in the garage.
Schottmer says arson investigators asked him if there was anyone he could think of who had litigation against Tobolowski or someone who was angry at him. He told them yes.
The gentleman that I identified had brought a lawsuit against his mother, who was the trustee of the family trust.
Tobolowski represented the mother in that lawsuit, which led to countersuits and a long-running legal battle. These boxes hold the documents that were going to be brought into Judge Eric Moyer's court this Wednesday. Through the weekend, Judge Moyer had sheriff's deputies posted at his home as a precaution after what happened to Tobolowski. That has been discontinued, but there are extra bailiffs on the judge's floor at the courthouse. Tobolowski's family swimming in a mix of emotions, hoping for justice.
You would expect at this point for there to be a mixture of anger and sadness and all those sorts of things. And I would say anger is certainly prominent among the emotions at this point of time.
Now, we've been trying, Clarice, to contact the other party in this case, both him and his attorney, to no avail. No one investigating the fire has indicated they want to talk to this man or that they've spoken with him. The fire labeled suspicious. That's the only term Dallas Fire Rescue using. Arson investigators have not released as well the actual cause of Ira Tobolowski's death.
Sean, what else do you know about the investigation?
Did learn something today that investigators from the arson unit, those arson investigators, went back to Tobolowski's neighborhood this morning, canvassing residents door to door for security camera video, hoping to catch someone on tape coming or going from the alley behind Tobolowski's home. None of the neighbors, Clarice, had video or had video that captured the images investigators were hoping for.
Continuing investigation, Sean. Thank you.
Okay.